Antonello Figlia, a jewellery designer from London. My interest in jewellery started casually in a shop. I was looking with interest how customers were reacting to a jewellery display on the corner, the excitement when looking at them and trying them on. This sent me back to my university time. I was working freelance in the fashion industry for some brand or organization, and I knew at the time I wanted to work with something visual, but couldn't exactly decide what to do. In the shop I realized that jewellery could be the perfect media for me to channel my creativity and at the same time make a career. I then started my first jewellery course, and the passion for the craft grew stronger and stronger. I'm also influenced by graphic design, interior design, photography, graffiti, anything that makes me stop and wonder, look with interest at them, could be subject to inspiration. This collection is started by photography. As we all do, we live in a generation of social media and mobile phone camera. I take a lot of quick snaps while walking by if there is something that caught my attention. I'm lucky enough to live near the River Thames in London, and crossing the bridge sometimes have some beautiful panorama. Especially at sunset, you can see some beautiful color in the sky that reflect on the River Thames. A monument on each side of the riverbank. I feel the need to stop and freeze that moment. I was looking at the way how to incorporate my photography hobby into the jewellery making. And I found the technique of etching it was the most suitable to achieve this. I mastered this technique after working with them for many years now. Together with after the etching, of course, I play with texture, with finish, with color, using gemstone to add drama and intensity, also patina to add more strong emphasizes the design and the photo, and achieve the design that is in my mind for the pleasure of the customer that is going to wear in the future, and people that look at them